In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys through and reviewing the post-treatment image skincare trial kits. What I do is I help women to be confident and to not criticise themselves when they don't have makeup on, especially mothers with children, because we have busy lives, so we don't always have the opportunity to take that 15 to 30 minutes in the morning to apply all the makeup on. So most of the time something's going to crop up where we need to run out the door with no makeup on. So it's just really to help you have that confidence that you're able to leave your house comfortably by just taking a few simple steps in your skincare routine at home. In this trial kit, it contains 5 different products for you to introduce yourself to see if you like them. It's a great one for bringing on holidays, and it's also great for using post treatments if you've had any invasive treatments done, because it's got anti-inflammatory properties which can take down redness after treatment and work on repairing and healing the skin. So the first product that's in here is the Ormedic Balancing Facial Cleanser, which is an organic green tea and aloe vera based product which induces your skin with plenty of antioxidants. It's got anti-inflammatories to reduce redness, so it's great for anybody who suffers with acne or rosacea skin, or for anybody who's had a treatment professionally done which needs to work on reducing the redness after treatments. It's a great cleanser for giving your skin for deeply cleansing your skin and also for soothing your skin. So that's why I recommend this product for anybody who has acne, because acne comes with all the inflamed skin around where we get the breakouts. So because this product is very calming on the skin, it works wonders for anyone who has acne. Then you've got the masque stem cell cream, which is it's a brilliant product for mature skin or for anti-aging. It's got 4 unique blends of stem cells, and it's also got high concentrations of antioxidants, which works on longevity from your cells and repairing your skin at a cellular level, working on the production of collagen and elastin in your skin. It's a must-have in my eyes for anybody age 40 plus, but I definitely wouldn't outrule it for anybody in their 30s also. I use this product as part of my home care regime as an anti-aging method, and to just work on the structure, level and layer of my skin for the production of collagen and elastin, which all slows down as soon as we hit age 20 is when our collagen stops being produced. So it's important that we're working on keeping our cells nice and fresh and healthy. The third product is the Hydrating Enzyme Mask, which I use as a mini home peel. So it works on soothing, hydrating and exfoliating your skin. The products can be used starting out at 5 minutes, and you'll increase your time by 5 minutes for the second and subsequent uses, eventually building it up to a full 30-minute treatment. Probably shouldn't say now, but you can eventually use this product overnight, but definitely build up to that. Don't think that you can put this product on for the first time and leave it on overnight, because it will cause sensitivity to your skin. So make sure to start off with 5 minutes and increase by 5 minutes until you've reached 30 minutes. Do this a couple of times and then you can try using this product overnight. It's also great for including in your cleansers a small amount, blend them together to enhance your cleanser for more exfoliation. And it can be used morning and night time, but always protect with your sun protection afterwards, because again we're going to be exfoliating the skin. It's infused in antioxidants and vitamin C, and it smells like oranges. It makes your skin feel super soft. It's great for lifting your skin if your skin is looking tired, dry and dull. So like that, if you have any events coming up, it's a great one to use the night before. Then the third product is the Intense Lightening Serum, which is the Lightening Serum. So not only for anybody who suffers with pigmented skin, but anybody who's really exposed to the environment, which is all of us, we need to ensure that our skin is protected. So the Lightening Serum really is insurance towards your skin, because it has a tyrosine inhibitor which suppresses your melanocytes. The melanocytes is what produces pigment in your skin. So when we suppress our melanocytes, it's balancing them out so they're not overproducing pigment in your skin when we're exposed to UVA rays. And UVA rays is what causes brown spots on our skin and the aging on our skin. So the tyrosine inhibitor in the Lightening Serum is going to stop that overproduction when we're exposed to the sun. But this product is also great for post-treatment, or for anybody who suffers with acne skin, who can get that post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation when the skin becomes inflamed, and it also works on reducing redness in the skin. But it really is suitable for all skin types, and it's a really nice serum to apply. Used morning and night time, and it doesn't cause any extra photosensitivity to exposure to the sun. And then the fifth product that's in this kit is the Prevention Plus Ultimate Protection Moisturizer SPF 50. So the reason why the SPF 50 is in here is because it's designed for anybody who's had treatments done to take down that inflammatory or redness post-treatment. But the SPF is obviously essential to be wearing every day, so we're protecting from UVA and UVB rays, and it also contains zinc oxide, which absorbs really quickly into the skin, so it doesn't leave that white casing on the skin compared to other products. It also contains nutrients and vitamins and DNA protection to protect your cells from further damage and also to protect from UVA rays, as well as moisturize your skin. And the plant-derived antioxidants is going to also fight off free radicals that we get every day from environmental damage. For anybody who needs to know more information on SPF, I don't want to keep it too long in this video because I'm just doing a quick overview of these products for anybody interested in trialing them out before you buy them. I have done another video which goes into how much products that you need to apply onto the skin to make sure that you're using the right amounts, what the number means on an SPF label, what ingredients you need to look out for when purchasing an SPF in another video, which I'll leave in a link below this video. Keep an eye on our website because from time to time we would have this post-treatment kit along with other trial kits that you can avail of on our online skin shop on havanaskinclinic.com, where when you purchase a product from us online, you'll get 20% off and you'll also get a sticky discount, which what I mean by a sticky discount is you'll hold on to that 20% for life when you purchase any products from our skin shop as a thank you for supporting us. So thanks for watching today's video. I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's given you value. As always, feel beautiful, be happy, confidence is key.